everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a cup of Chinese herbal tea. Very simple. It requires only 3 ingredients. I have here 5 dates, 5 sticks of ganchao, and a handful of chrysanthemum flowers. If you're asking me where you can buy this, I believe you should be able, they are available online. This Chinese herbal tea will help to give you some relief for your cough. First, I will de-seed the dates by cutting them and removing the seed that's inside. Very simple. Just cut off the center. Why we need to remove the seed is because it's believed that the seed of the red dates is very heaty. So that's why we need to remove it. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 seeds. We'll leave it aside. And you'll be wondering why is this container for? Because we need to wash the herb before we put them in to boil. And just cut the ganchao, okay, to smaller pieces so that the flavor can come out more. Okay, oops, there you have it. And then you place the chrysanthemum flower in. How I wash my herb, my Chinese herb is this way. I just pour some water in and I shake it. Or whatever is in there comes off, and thereafter you pour away the water. You can use a sieve, of course. Another one more round. Do one more time. Actually, you can use this method to wash your herb or any other recipe. But particularly remove the dust and the sand that comes along with some Chinese food. Okay, there you go. Okay. So we have here the herb washed and ready to be used. And this is my pressure cooker. I'm going to use this today to boil my chrysanthemum red date ganchao tea. So let's herb into the container. And then here I have 500 ml of water. You need to put in 1.2, so add another 500. Okay, and another 200. There you go. Right. It's already put it into the pressure cooker, and here we go. Close it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it to the cooking soup mode. There you have it. Okay. So this pressure cooker will run for 20 minutes and your Chinese herbal soup is ready, or your Chinese herbal tea is ready for your enjoyment. Remember, do not put any sugar. Thank you.